What's up, guys? I'm gonna go over how to set up plug for tomorrow's drop. This is Spring Summer 19, Spring Week 6. So now you can actually run browser tests and desktop tests at the same time. So first I'm gonna go ahead and add a task. I'm gonna add a browser task. Only add one of these. I'm just doing a random product and a fake, just a test profile. Go ahead and save it. So you can see it's here. I'm gonna go and add a desktop task. I'll add a couple. But I mean, you can add as many as you want, create as many desktop tasks as you want. It just really depends on how many profiles you have, how many products you're going for. So again, I'm just using a random product and test profile. Go ahead and press save. So when it comes down to drop time, you're gonna want to press start all, so the play button in the bottom left, about 15 to 30 seconds before the drop. And when you press this, before the drop, it's still me trying to find the product, so it will sit on the home page until the products drop. But I'm gonna go ahead and press play. As you see right now, it shows a product that's in stock. So it's gonna go right ahead and find the product. On the top right, I'm gonna press the 2. That's how many captures I need to solve, and I'll go ahead and solve them. It has auto click, vehicles, bus. Alright, well it hates me right now. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and exit out. As you see the capture for the browsers in the back. Go ahead and solve this one. And as you can see, I was just using a test profile, so I'm gonna get invalid card. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. So make sure to have one browser task. We're pretty confident in our desktop task as well, but this is just a good backup, and it's basically just to increase the chances of success for you guys. I appreciate it, and good luck tomorrow.